Yung nakatamo na kami ko, muskot sige muna. Para taka ni gusto tamat niya ni wala tiro. Taka ni kon sing dapat to meta suni ko kaya. Suka ka ba sila? Or taka ni ko nang batch. Pati sa mo ko, kalau mani ko tika sa mo sing mo ko. Kasi hindi ko menos sige muna. Sino ba na? Rafa! Kaya ba tin beton? Also, ko stop sa mo ko tiyo. Ha!
PNC
against this explosive Fiji inside. Gathered by Luganimasi and then shipped open field. Such a strain on your defenses. These big offloading Fijians prefer not to rock and keep that ball in hand if they could. That one skips into touch. Competition. Well executed through them Donaldson. Stop in front, carried back into the 22. Oh, that's Canada happy for the moment to give that ball to the Fijian back three. We'll see if that. There's Kanzi and there's that. Afghan and that offload we've been talking about. Unmarked in the space. Talking about it. Keep it alive. Look at this. James never dying on the ball. A rare ruck. G player down on the sideline. So they're one short for the moment. That won't stop them attacking. Got the advantage. Could have stolen it. Sick! Fiji put it. Here's Fiji. Ruvoli goes with the flow. He's got an option on the back. He's a big fullback hitting it hard. Again, full width being played. Nelson comes across, can't quite make the tackle after Leary action on try line. White jerseys everywhere. Quick ball. Such fast production. Even the tip pass is good. Vovo decides to set it up. Now they come again. Maui. Gets around his legs. So confident on the ball. McCann's, nice work. Oh, the step out of the tackle. Canada being stretched, but not breaking for the moment. Little chip through. Oh, glorious stuff.
Recognizing the wing had popped up, squeezing that little chip here and broke the try. Great feet, great awareness, great support to have that offload. Now the Canadians are trying to figure out how to match numbers.
Fiji using the beef on Maui. That's his third carry already. 131 kgs he brings when he's carrying that ball. That takes his toll. Not necessarily now for the Canadian players. Access! It's a little bit short, but it's well gathered. From Vovo, the 27-year-old, tries in both PNC games so far against Tonga and Samoa. Charles gets rocked back, but makes the tackle. Asking a lot of questions, but Canada's got their hands on it. It's not a runner right in the middle. Kick goes long. Williams takes out a line of man. He's played his own. Amount of 7 for Canada. And it should be stopping for Canada. Wait. Again, playing the lines. Donovan. Particularly well against the US, but they're missing the likes of Olmstead. Tyler Ogron have both returned to their professional duties in Europe. That was... She said Angela, they just run out of space as Canada crowds across. Look at the powerful leg drive. And if you stop Fiji one way, they seem to be here another way, and they spin around. The athleticism of these big men. You see it on the 7th pitch, but don't forget, it applies equally in 15s. G-Man in the channel. Power and pace. Wait.
The Fijians, flying Fijians, putting a clinic on here.
As you mentioned, the highest-ranked team in the SI Pacific Nations Cup. They're currently ranked number 9 in the world. Had a successful season already. Scotland in July. Only lost to us in July. A few extra of their pro players come in, but when you think about the form that Australia's currently in, advantage, and that worrying around the Lions to it. That's a feel. Particular advantage. You get a taste of that. That's what Australia under pressure. While the Scotland goal from Holy. He's thinking it's up to it.
Good turnover there, we're back for the penalty. Let me get Fijian backs.
The other thing that Fiji does so well is they come in and out of gear. They get up and immediately. Massive carry there.
Trying to shoot. Tucker not rolling.
short side. Antonio Wanga. Trying to counteract, trying to disrupt.
Still playing advantage.
Advantage for Fiji. Every one of these players so good on the ball. Always left the ball behind, so the referee's going to come all the way back. It's gone off. Far sideline getting the treatment.
Next. Trust their kick chase, which has been pretty good so far.
Shane O'Leary will have to take over the kicking duties as Nelson's off the pitch with that injury. Still going, riding away from tacklers, chucking them aside. Big man picks Liami Mata. Such freedom in this team. They all have the license to pick and go. And this is why they very rarely get knocked backwards. Pressure there. It's a long kickoff. This one's on the field. He's going to gather. It's midfield. He's going to his options, and he goes short to Kai Lloyd. You mentioned that he's got pace and power. Keeps that ball alive. Good support. Sean Terry had a really strong game against Japan last time out. 17 minutes in. Fiji just going. No complicated lifting pods.
It's on the chest first.
Chest high shot. Backward move. Try score. Subose. Again, Botcher taking away the midfield and defense for Canada. So they come back infield. Valatini. A low pass, but well gathered.
Okay, penalty advantage. Okay, just wait. Your lines. Here in Denver.
A little scrappy, and the referee says it went forward. Defending champions here in the Inside Pacific Nations Cup. Canada's pushed off the ball.
Okay.
Pure strength. Oh, sit down. Ooh, there's a lift. Jump tackle, clean out. Do you know if you want to have a look at that?
Offside, Canada.
Going low. Trying to start momentum. 5 meters to the big runner. Shows up. Oh! Out of order, a proud Canadian's going to carry this ball from the scrum. After the knock on. Higgins gets had to revamp their attack. It was Shane O'Leary went up to the first receiver position with Peter Nelson being off the field injured. Zubuto coming late. Best phase of play. There's Callum Botcher. Sean Perry. He's got great feet on him. Not the biggest open side out there. Counter real good. He's got wonderful feet. So we're going to try against Japan. This is this man. Kai Lloyd.
Step back from Lloyd.
It's positive for Canada. McVan looks inside. Ball. Spencer Jones. There's another one. Higgins gets dumped. But really positive play. Ben's feeling a late tackle as well.
He's making a tackle.
He's down on a knee. Advantage for Canada here. This is a great response from this young Canadian team. Good pick. Win the collision. Doubles around. Larry, oh, it doesn't go to hand. Referee's going to bring that one back. Target. It's the skipper. Now they're trying to get the legs going. Trying to shear off the side and they've lost the ball. Introduce. Against Canada for not. Dallas is trying to get his arm inside there. Doesn't get the ball.
Yeah,
Oh,
penalty
the dump
advantage.
to go. The chip into space. This is ambitious. It doesn't bounce kindly though.
Canada on the air, back to the contest in the air.
So again, happy to slow it down. A massive kick here at altitude.
Just be careful for it.
Here from Samoa. Last match of the Pacific Nations Cup. To altitude here in
Go,
Denver.
Captain, go! Boys on the floor here.
It's out wide. Athova just short of the line, keeps it alive. I think gonna be enough for Robobo.
Backs, just a little outside kick out, pins the outside defender, and here comes free flying Fiji Rugby, just stepping on the inside, using those big powerful legs, keeping keeping the ball quick, and then he is so dangerous. Just a great job splitting two Canadian defenders, and look at the powerful legs driving, gaining all the inches, all the meters. Good body position, good ball.
Ball goes a mile when you get hit.
Ball was inside. Way too wet.
A long kick. So Nelson's back on the field, so it must have been a head injury. Assessing go forward at all. Now Fiji's going to rebuild the attack. Stepping away from tackles, running across the face. Don't tell kids to do that, but Fiji can do that. They tend to get away with it. Beautiful handling from 1 to 15 again. Higgins comes out of the line hard. Can't make any impact. Got a booty. 12 carries, 10 tackles against Samoa in the last game. He gets through a lot of work just to make over. Swerving run from
Penalty advantage, 13, Canada offside.
Kanata. Canada's offside again. You gotta be ready to get in there and try and steal against these Fijians. They are firing into these rucks. Stepping inside is Lugani Masi. It's just so hard to get the ball off them. We don't want to pass.
Open play, no offside.
Under pressure, it's still going. The ball's still in hand for Fiji. Another one. It's Fiji style out here. Kuru goes around the corner.
But this was just incredible silky skills from the flying Fijian forwards, and they're just keeping the ball alive. And this man, what a line, and a big man's paradise. We've got 20 meters of open room all the way to the try line. Fitter. And just an incredible line. Just on an inline, uses a little bit of twinkle toes in his acceleration. And I'm walking.
Spirit Nelson. Ooh, great hands. Ramsey Jones in the middle. So Jones showing his inner Fijian there. Both sides getting into the Spirit now. This track, really good ball for Canada. There around the end. He steps out of one, steps out of two. Still going. Higgins ships it. Short ball. Who hangs on with one arm. This is really positive play. Flash flips it. Unmarked out wide. Ben for the moment. But he's smothered into touch by two Fijians.
Up again.
Out. They hit Van Daddle's it. The referees think stay.
Obstruction.
Oh, got their hand in front of it. The skipper, Mason Flesh, steals the ball, but now Nelson's going to have to deal with it. He turns around and sees nothing but white jerseys. He's brought down. Even his teammates can't get to him. They're firing through.
Can't play on. We can't.
Simple stuff. Great timing.
Floor, hand them off the floor. Hand up. One stop.
They're going to stop them for the moment, so they're going to go wide, which may not be a good thing.
Great tackle.
Kind of slowed up the ball a little bit. Big try scorers trying to get on it again. Ball was brought down.
Ball out.
So they see that. Short, regrouping. Karibata.
No. Tackler's on the wrong side here.
Staying connected for the moment, but it's going to be taxing. All these big bodies flying in.
Stop. There's no flow play, just wait. Stop for safety.
Just gets Canada a quick tap. Fiji running, going, just short. Karibata is brought down. Bowie. He's enjoying this, I think.
Tackle! Away now!
Tackle complete.
Ball out. No hands, no.
Directing traffic. Kuruvoli wants his men to come around the corner. Wants more actions. There they go. He goes himself.
Tackle away!
Maybe Kuruvoli is stopped.
Yes, ball is available. Onside, Canada.
Urging Canada stay onside, even though their heels are literally on their own try line. Sorry, Fiji's still short. Canada holding for the moment. Reaching out, going for the line, but he's short. Going again, still short. Brave defense from the Canadians. Forcing Fiji to go out wide. That one doesn't go to hand. That's not necessarily a problem, because this happens. If they don't get you.
Trying to play wide,
Wilson. Warren comes back in field. Canada 7-star. Wood empowering, just can't quite get the legs free. The quick pick and goal from Cal Butcher in his first start as a Canadian. Really direct stuff from these Canadian forwards. No lack of pride. Ben Donaldson, he's short. Butcher again. Higgins trying to dig it out.
Fiji, stay back.
Fiji need to be on the try line. Martinez looks to go. Now they go to the back's advantage. Canada can miss their hand. Unmarked. Sean Barry, can he get to the line? Yes, he gets the shot. Vancouver. Shout out to his local Mark, who's in Victoria, celebrating his first start. Canada going through the phases. Clean out there for Kelly Martinez. There's no effect. The altitude doesn't seem to have bothered them. Higgins to introduce. That's a much more solid platform than Canada. Wide, 2 men coming around the corner, but they go wide.
Stop in front.
Just kick blocked. Taking a catch, took that big hit for the yellow. Nice ball off the top. Flesh. Well, there's extra hands here. Get an early pass from Canada. Joe Moore, the danger man. Looking to get around the edge. Can't quite get all the way around. Much more organized play. Butcher coming in field. Be careful not to run away from the support. Martinez saw a hole.
No foul play.
Martinez had an excellent PNC. Plus 10 kgs coming into this tournament. And he worked hard from White Rock, British Columbia. Matthew Jones, he looks to come in field.
Backwards.
Let's go backwards.
Backwards first and then forward.
He's looked a couple times here, but not got through himself. This one.
Use it. Stop in front.
Conventional stuff from Fiji this time. Get back.
Inside. Retreat, Canada. Keep coming.
Seals letting Canada's attack down. John moves up quickly. Almost a steal from Fiji.
Advantage. Not that advantage.
Mason Blythe not be wanted up to the whole pass.
Advantage over.
This could be a 50-22, but it's going to stay in field. Ben cleans it up. Gets it in the touch. Fiji back to full strength. Both the yellow card and the 20-minute red have been served. That pass to no one. Cleaned up by everyone. Good.
Brought back in.
This pass maybe not the best option for Canada. Oh, big dump tackle on Mora. Fijian missiles are placed all around the park.
Tackle!
Launch.
Brought back in.
He's going to get on his right boot.
Wait. Hold on.
Got it. Nagagani Masi. It's been relatively quiet for him in this one. Good part of this great display on high bounce. From Valentini.
Backwards.
Gone
Clear.
backwards. Winner with the space. He's got some pace. John Barry nudged him forward. Ryan getting back his pace there as he kicked it fairly
Oh,
early.
trapping him. Trapping him. Good work, 6.
Ball's going to play an incredible amount here, Zach. Credit both teams for working hard.
But it's just simple, just around the corner, 2 dummy short lines out the back. And this man, when he gets ball in hand and a chasing defender, he is so tough to stop. You know, it's hard.
Backwards from Canada.
18 jersey for Canada. It's popping up, 30-year-old. Starting to get a bit of a rest. 16 offside. Advantage. Canada. Canada not offside. Away now. Ball's finally wrapped up in the tackle. Saki was supposed to. Yes. Requesting the referee, and yes was the response. Okay, perfect. Wrist their hand here. Relentless. Look at the work from off the ball. Extra set of hands from Ganimasi. And that's what happens when you create too many sets of hands. You get space on the end. Still 3 meters to go. Fiji picking and going from the base. Brought down momentarily. Threatening the line. Iliani Mate with a huge right hand. Reaching out.
Incredible passage of play. Look at the work rate from the 15 coming all the way around, creating that extra number. And we know Rakuru is so electric. And then here, Mata's just like, I got this. I'll split through.
I'm just gonna advantage. Tackle right there, penalty advantage. Clean out the side of the ruck there, but Fiji still got it. Crawling through. Murray. On the end of it. She's out wide now. Hanging kick. Backwards. Gathered initially, but gone backwards. Tackle there. Canada getting some. Wild kick. He's gonna have it. Then another high shot on Ben. Had some tough ones here today. Leave it now, leave it now, leave it! You're saying that was illegal, not on the side. No, now he's making a skipper. Not able to get it driving. He pushed him aside, but now they're moving. Now they're moving. Sideways! 5 meters to gain. Advantage. Back into advantage for Canada. Number 6. That's right, advantage. One-on-one battle. He steps inside one, steps inside two. Spins around. Just short. Fantastic feat. On the man from Toronto for a penalty. Again, clean kick. Contact for Canada. Crowding, and they've been stopped once, so they're going to have to use it next time. And they do. 2 runners coming around the back. Nelson and Ben. A 50-50 ball. O'Leary just steps out of it. Next does really well. Back to his feet. Canada regroup midfield. Matt Eaton. He scored against the soon-to-be world champions Springboks at the 2019 World Cup in Japan.
Each side. That doesn't mean that they'll stick with it. They may flow somebody short side.
All the way. Cats pressure. Flat coming. Great support for the Fijians coming across. That second line of defense. They had the longest period of possession in the last 3 or 4 minutes. Fire squares up. Ski offload is knocked forward. Shove. Oh, the big hand. Not quite high enough for the arc on that throw. Oh, and more pressure. Nice tackle there from Peter Nelson holding on in the end. True. Stop, Fiji, stop. Smash to the defensive ball. Big Ben. Pushes it. Field. O'Leary. Stops and goes. Mullen. Ball in the right arm. Still rolling. Let me explain to you having a chat here. Trying to generate space. This is Mikael on the ball. Okay, use it! Use it out wide. Take off the back of Mullen, though, isn't it? That's fine.
So impactful. Congratulations to him.
Congratulations to Asahi. Super dry player of the match, and the hits keep coming. Neither one of these teams want to settle. They're enjoying this. Power around the corner. Well inside Canada's 22 now. There's a trail of red jerseys every time there's a break. Getting those hands free and keeping the ball alive. Up over the top. Dubana. Smooth loose. He's gonna kick. Got it brilliantly by Ilogani Massi. Oh, he
Full time, Fiji 63-10 Canada.